Hello Internet, welcome back to my kitchen. In this video I'll be showing you how to make my grandma's recipe for dirty crackers. For full details of the recipe, check out the blog post linked below. First you're going to walk into the shot really awkwardly with your bag of oyster crackers, and then proceed to spill them slightly, but then just toss them in the bowl anyways. And then go ahead and take the bag and dump the rest of that bag into the bowl. And then throw out your trash because you like working in a clean workspace. Next, you're going to get your ingredients out and actually put them on the table near you so that you can reach them. Then you're going to eyeball all your measurements and pour about 1/4 cup of oil over your crackers. And do it gently because you want to get the oil spread around all the crackers to make the mixing portion a little bit easier. Next, you take your ranch dressing seasoning and just sprinkle that all over there. If you were weighing this out, you'd be looking for about 1 ounce or a packet, or you can do like me and buy it in bulk and just shake it to your heart's content. Next, you're going to grab your dill weed and sprinkle about 1/4 cup of that over everything, or between 2 to 4 tablespoons, depending on how much you like dill. Then you're going to sprinkle over some garlic powder to your little heart's content. And then you get a big old spoon and mix it all up. Alternatively, you could mix this up in a plastic bag, but I am on a journey to try to reduce my plastic waste where I can, and it's easy enough to get out a mixing bowl to mix this up rather than getting out a gallon plastic bag. And just give those a good tossing, gently of course, because you don't want to break your crackers, but you want to get everybody all marinating and nice and happy in there. Make them all be best friends. And of course, once you finish making them, you've got to taste test it, quality control test it, and then awkwardly wander off and find something to store them in.